Hi aviation friends! Welcome to the start of a new trip. I'm Rudi and together with my friends Lars and Marike and Wouter, I'm about to depart for a trip which will take me further from home than I've ever been before.
Om de doorgang vrij te houden. Het duurt niet lang meer.
Things start familiar though, with a flight from Amsterdam Schiphol to London Heathrow on this 10-year-old British Airways Airbus A320, registered G-EUYW.
Devices unplugged and window blinds are open, ready to take off. Please study the safety card in your seat area before we depart. This contains important safety information, including details on your brace position. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
Wel is dat mensen echt wel hun telefoon laten vallen, dat zijn jullie ervoor...
We are on the first BA flight to Heathrow of the day. This wasn't our original flight though, as that one got cancelled. According to BA, that was because of adverse weather conditions. We don't understand at all why this was, because the weather was fine, both here and at Heathrow.
Kleine kans ook de serie van 320 Family toch nog steeds krijgen, want 318 is wel lastig en dan zit je ook nog met de 319 Neo.
Ja, die wordt wel lastig.
Ja.
Ja, maar goed, als je China gaat dan nog andere kisten proberen. Maar ja. Het is ook echt wel wat de beenruimte zo dadelijk 380 nog een beter is. Dat hoop ik nog ook wel.
Testen er moeten doen of iets.
Seated at seat 28A, I can't wait to get going. Fortunately, we have already arrived at runway 24 for takeoff.
Ik ben blij dat die onderzoek eigenlijk allemaal weer voorbij is.
Ja. Het is echt bizar. Ik kan het me eigenlijk niet meer goed voorstellen.
Nee, hè?
Dat je dan s'avonds op de klok moet kijken of je niet te laat naar buiten gaat.
Ja, en dat bij alles wat je doet, dat je eerst die klok in je neus moet hebben en dat je pas een dag later naar de supermarkt kan.
Ja. Als je dan s'avonds die basis op komt lopen, dat alles is uitgestorven en dat ook op ja, in het gebouw, dat ook alles stil is, eigenlijk ook niks gebeurt.
Ja.
Dat is echt bizar.
Gentlemen, my name is Martin Richardson, I'm your in-flight manager. My pleasure to welcome you all on board today. A special welcome to those of you who are returning from our executive club and those of you who are joining us today from any of our One World Alliance partners. Can I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you're seated. They must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are switched on. When opening the overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved, they could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board, and this includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. We're pleased to have launched our free on...
sun is slowly rising as we make our way to the UK. The views are beautiful. I did not film while over the North Sea due to the reflections on the window. But as we reach the UK, we get treated to a beautiful sunrise approach over the city of London. It's busy in the London skies as usual, and we spot a couple of white bodies. We even play some Guess the Plane. We are lined up for a runway 27 right to bring our first flight of this trip to a close. is the Air India A320 we spotted earlier.
A very warm welcome to London's Heathrow Airport Terminal 5, home of British Airways. Local time here is 24 minutes past 7. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. And when it's safe to do so, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved. They could fall out and cause injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Before you leave us today, please check that you have all of your personal belongings with you, including anything that you may have placed in your seat area during the flight. For journey ends here at Heathrow, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals, and if you're connecting on to another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number, and if this is not yet displayed, please follow the purple signs for flight connections. If you require any assistance here at Heathrow, please speak to our colleagues who work in Terminal 5, they'll be more than happy to help. And for those customers who've ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and our crew will be on hand to assist you. On behalf of all of us on board and British Airways, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you and a very good morning.
We have safely made it to London Heathrow. Here we can relax for a couple hours before boarding a slightly bigger plane for our next flight. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, have a great day.